If a plumber with 30 years of experience doesn't know these little tricks, he'd be pretty embarrassed. Watch closely. You just need to clamp 2 wrenches together. To easily turn a screw, no pipe wrench, use 2 open-end wrenches. To easily unscrew an iron pipe. This method is super practical. Drill 2 holes in a crescent wrench, 1 on each side, then screw in 2 bolts. Once the nuts are tightened, you can easily remove any angle grinder disc, no matter how tight it is. When drilling a hole in a pipe with a power drill, it often slips. Use a crescent wrench to easily position the drill. A wrench has another special function. It can pull out nails, even more conveniently than a claw hammer. When hanging a spring, a screwdriver won't work. You just need a piece of string to easily hang the spring. If a pipe thread breaks and you don't have a professional extractor, just use 2 screwdrivers and an old drill bit. Turn it with a wrench and you can easily remove it. How about that? Aren't these tricks super useful?